Hey guys, I'm gonna test another teeth whitening product. I've never tried powder whitener before, so this is going to be interesting, I think. Yeah, so let's start. So this brand is from Ceyecr. I don't know how to say this. Ceyecr? I sound like Cardi B. Ceyecr. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna show you how this is. It's a 8D white. It's purple cleaning tooth powder. So this is not like whitening, it's more like cleaning, I think, because it's a powder. And that's what scares me most about powders, because the grit of the powder could, if you go too rough with it, it could damage your teeth. And I don't know, today I already brushed my teeth, and so I'm gonna show you like the before, I guess. So those are my teeth, how they are. I haven't done any treatments for a long time now, probably since I filmed like a product for my channel. So this says Brighten Teeth Deep Cleaning Mouth Guard. What do you mean mouth guard? This tooth powder contained botanical and natural mint ingredients to produce a fresh and pleasant smell. That's nice. The ingredients are calcium carbonate, pearl powder, hydrated silica, glucose. How am I supposed to clean my teeth with glucose? Hydroxyapatite, sodium lauryl sulfate, glucose gum. Sorry, no. Cellulose gum, trehalose, mannitol, sodium benzoate. Warning, discontinue use if irritation occurs. Also, do not swallow. Okay, so it comes sealed in a plastic, you know, like these tight plastic things. Puncture it so I can open it and show you what's inside. So, oh, it's like chewing gum. Okay, so this is how it looks. It smells very minty. So I'm gonna quickly get my toothbrush and come back. Okay, so I got a bowl so I can spit in it. I got some water and my toothbrush. I don't know if I should dip my toothbrush in it, if I should wet it before. I mean, since I'm gonna be the only one using this, I guess I could dip my brush in it. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I wet my toothbrush first, so it grips onto it. And I'm gonna just use this amount. For how long should I do this? Excuse me. I think it's quite early to notice any difference. However, as I said, I washed my teeth this morning, so they were clean. And it didn't like feel like too rough. And as far as whitening goes, I think it's still the same. Maybe just a bit better, but they look more shiny than before, I think. Overall, they feel really clean. I drink lots of tea. In fact, I do have a cup of tea. It's a dead mug, but yeah, it's fine. I do have a cup of tea in front of me, so yeah, I mean, we drink a lot of tea, so we're gonna build more tar in our mouths than a person who drinks only water. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing this for the rest of the week. And then I'm gonna show you the results after a week using them. Obviously, it's gonna be in the same video, so watch till the end so you can see like the final result, I guess. Yeah, we'll see. After 4 days of brushing my teeth with this once a day, I'm gonna do it for the last time today so I can give you the review, a proper review on it. I still don't know if I'm doing a lot on my toothbrush. I think this amount is enough maybe. So let's see. I've taken the other videos from my bathroom with natural light and from my phone. I have lots of lighting in this room to be able to film, obviously. So it might make a difference from the video prior to this than to this one. So I will only be comparing the first one and the last one. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and follow for more videos like this. I don't only review teeth stuff, I also review makeup and other products. I just finished reviewing these 2 sunscreens, and if you want to watch what I think about this, you can watch it in this video here, and I'll see you in the next one.